everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study again how to solve distance problem grade 7. Okay, the first problem, Lorna and Peter are 16 kilometers apart and are walking towards each other. If Lorna is walking at a rate of 3 kilometers per hour and Peter at 5 kilometers per hour, and how many hours will they meet? Okay. Our solution, we have to pick up first the given. The distance is 16 kilometers. For Lorna, we have 3 kilometers per hour the rate, and for Peter is 5 kilometers per hour. And we have to use the formula D equals rate times time. This is the constant formula, the uniform formula. When we say uniform formula, uniform motion, meaning to say this speed is constant. Okay, equation 1, D equals the distance travel of Lorna and D2 is the distance travel of Peter. So we have to solve the equation. D equals D of Lorna distance plus the distance of Peter. And the given distance is 16 kilometers. You have to copy that. Then substitute to D and equals to, for distance of Lorna, remember we have D equals RT. So the rate of Lorna is 3 kilometers per hour times T. So that's why it becomes 3T. Plus the rate of Peter, we have 5 kilometers per hour times T. So that's why it becomes 5T. Then we have to simplify. We're going to add or combine like terms. 3T plus 5T equals 8T. And just copy only the 16. And now we're going to divide both sides by 8. So it becomes now 16 divided by 8 equals 2. And 8 divided by 8 equals T. So our time equals to 2 hours. So we are going to check D equals D sub 1 plus D sub 2. D is 16 equals 3 times 2 plus 5 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. 5 times 2 is 10. So 16 equals 6 and so it becomes 3 equation now. So therefore our answer is correct. Our complete answer, Lorna and Peter, they meet in 2 hours. Okay, the second problem, bus number 1 and bus number 2 will leave from the respective station at 8 a.m. Bus number 1 will head north at a rate of 50 kilometers per hour and bus number 2 south at 80 kilometers per hour. At what time will the two buses be 390 kilometers apart? Our solution given, bus number 1, 50 kilometers per hour the rate. Bus number 2, the rate is 60 kilometers per hour. And the distance covered is 390 kilometers. Our formula, D equals RT. Equation, we have D equals D for bus 1, the distance, and plus the distance of bus 2. And solve the equation, we have to D equals D, the first bus distance and the second bus distance. Okay, the distance covered is 390 equals to the distance of bus, we have RT. So the rate of the first bus is 50 times T plus the rate of the second bus is 80 times T. Then our next step is to combine like terms. 50T plus 80T equals 130T. And 390 just only copy, and we have to divide it both sides by 130. So 390 divided by 130 equals 3. And 130t divided by 130 equals t. So therefore the time is equals to 3 hours. You have to check. Distance is 390. Distance of the first bus 550 times 3 plus the distance of the second bus is 80 times 3. So 50 times 3 equals 150 and 80 times 3 equals 280. So 390 equals 390. So therefore the equation is balanced. We can say that our answer is correct.